So there is always a long line for the cinnamon bread here at the Grist Mill at Dollywood. But if this line is backed up the way that it is today, as you can see, it overextends over here to Miss Lillian's Smokehouse. You always have the option of 2 other locations to purchase Dollywood's famous cinnamon bread. This is option number 2 for the cinnamon bread. If you're not able to get it at the Grist Mill, you can come right over here to Bakery Breads and Pastries. And it's right next to the Emporium, which is near the entrance and exit to Dollywood. And right here is option number 3. Just right up the road at the Dreamwell Resort, you can go to the bakery and get some cinnamon bread.